Welcome to RestoCycle. This is one of the nicest bikes, I will have to say, that ever rolled in, and then we had to make it perfect, which is a challenge, you know, and they're really, really nice, and you're just trying to sort out every little detail is, you know, takes a lot of focus. So anyway, this was a fun one. This is a beautiful motorcycle. This one came from Mecum. This was purchased at Mecum earlier this year. Beautiful bike. This is a 1978 Suzuki GS1000E. This was the king of the street. This was the most sophisticated, most refined, most thought out, best all-around performing motorcycle, in my opinion, of 1979. And that's said from a guy that loves his Honda CBXs. This bike has it going on. It's got damping adjustable shocks right from the factory. The best single piston brakes I've ever used for a single pop brake. Those things are fantastic. Snowflake wheels, love them or hate them. Beautiful, sleek, smooth chrome exhaust, 4-2. No Kickstarter. We're doing away with those things. Beautiful, nice gauges with little integral sunshades. Big tank, lots of range, decent damper rod fork, nice detailing, understated, gorgeous motorcycle. This was a fun one. I was just out romping around, which in southern Arizona in early June is like holding a giant blow dryer to your face while you ride motorcycles, but it's a dirty job and someone's got to do it. But here we go. This one's on its way home along with two of its stablemates. We'll be headed to Florida in the morning. A really fun project, and thank you very much to our really awesome customer for letting us work on this beautiful motorcycle.